We are back, and I found some ducklings. It's freaking awesome. Look, the derby gets to the water. Look, this guy's brave. This guy's brave.
Aww. They're scared.
Look.
Tornado.
Look there, derby gets to the water. It's so freaking awesome. 2 baby ducklings in the water. Look. Here they go.
2.
Baby ducklings, I believe in you. I believe in you.
Watch this.
Don't worry, you can do it.
Yeah.
You can do it. You can do it, fat one.
2. Come on.
Go. 3. One jumping.
3.
This is awesome. Baby ducklings.
Come on, fourth one. Come on. There's only 3. Come on. Come on, fourth one.
Ah, 4. Oh, that's awesome.
The guys in the back push them.
Why don't they just all
All the
jump
little
in
baby
at-
brothers are like, come on, you could do it.
10 feet for them. It's like jumping. It's like you guys jumping 15, 20 feet. That's a long way down.
Well, at least it's in water.
Yeah.
4. 5. 5.
This is so freaking awesome. Gotta get a better view.
Hey, guys. That's
6.
Remember when I told you guys about the ducks?
6. Now.
Where are
Make
they?
Mama nervous. She'll get upset.
It's a tornado. Now.
Oh my gosh, here they come.
7. 8.
9.
9.
It's those last 3 ducklings. Oh, 2 ducklings. Yes. Oh, there's 3.
9. Still on 9. The ones are cheering.
This is awesome. I believe in you, last duckies.
How many are in the pond already? 9. 10.
10. Another one just jumped in. Yay. Look at the other one.
Taking the big ol' height.
Look at the other one. He's following him.
So 10. Go on 10. Come on.
Come on. I believe in you, duckies.
So those 12 ducks.
You can do it. You can do it. Come on. You can do it. Don't worry. I believe in you. Yay!
11. The big brother.
The last one.
He's going to be lower now.
Do it.
Come on.
Come on. You're the last one. Everyone's counting on you. Aw, he went the wimpy way.
11. Where is he?
He got all tripped up. Aw.
Yay!
Oh, there he is. Okay.
11.
That was awesome. Okay, so 11 ducklings and all. And later today, I'm going skydiving. Not off of a plane or anything, but indoors. I am, so this is like gigantic fan that spins you. Well, not spins me, but it's like spins so fast that there's so much air that it lifts me up and everyone else. And I just float there. Like skydiving kind of, but indoors, but you just float there. And I will try my best to do a vlog then. And that's it. Oh, look, the ducklings are back at it again. It's so beautiful. Look.
Yeah, come on.
Oh, look.
Yay! They're trying to get across.
God, this is just beautiful.
Baby duckling.
Where are they trying to go?
Go first one.
They're all pushing each other off.
Come on. They're so scared because it looks like 100 feet.
1, 2. Oh! Oh, it fell!
Oh, one made it. 2. Now they're all doing
They're all tumbling. Oh no! What the? Oh no! It's so sad! Oh no! They're all Oh God, that was sad. That was so sad. Oh my God. Where are they going now? Where are they going now?
Oh, they're gonna go into this one.
Oh look, they're going into the big
No,
pool.
they're gonna go climbing.
No, they're gonna go in the big pond. Oh, that's gonna be easier for the tiny little cute duckling.
Yeah. Go, Mama.
I said we'd say like
Oh. Yeah, ducky.
1, 2. Oh
Who's
God.
others? Only 3 made it.
The others are too scared.
No, they can't get up. That's 3.
Oh,
Oh,
they're,
there's
they're there. I saw the little heads
They're making the
peek out.
little way up.
Oh look, we got 2.
I know you're sitting there watching.
He's like, Mommy, I'm coming for you. Don't worry, I'll be right there. As soon as I jump off this like high cliff. Hopefully all these ducklings don't fall like the last one over there.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
Here they all come.
So, yeah, take the finger.
They're coming in. Yay.
The last one is taking.
There's like 11 ducks.
Look at that one up.
He's taking this
Can
one.
you finally get down?
Yeah.
That was awesome. Oh God.
And they make it across the deadly whirlpool.
I know, there's a lot. See that one went all the way under? They moved down?
Yeah.
They moved down, they're right there. If they go over there, they'll get swimmed by
That's
the
awesome.
whirlpool. They went all the way there.
Walk on the rocks to get down?
So that was the ducklings, and as I said, I'm going to go skydiving today, maybe, but I will try to do a vlog during then. But just give you one more view of the duckies. There they go. I'm gonna get a better view. Thank you, Reed, for getting out that chair. Fine.
So 1, 2, 3.
And look at that; it's so beautiful. Last glance of the
Not to get on the rocks, okay?
of the ducklings of awesomeness. Well, there you have it. That's all the ducks and stuff, and that's it for this vlog, I guess. Braxton out.